Now I'm going to show you the geolocation report and how you can use it for your own analysis. Uh, you can find it in Audience tab under Geo, and then you should choose location. And now, as you can see, we have the map of the world, and with the darker color are the countries that brings the most traffic. In our case, this is USA, and you can see the other countries here in this chart. Second place is India, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Japan, France, Australia, Brazil, and Netherlands. And the first thing you want to see now is, of course, which country brings you the most traffic and which country have the lowest bounce rate, which basically means that this country, the traffic from this country performs better for your website. And of course, when the bounce rate is higher, you can try to search for missed opportunities. In this case, you can see that India has one of the highest bounce rate, and also Germany. And in the both cases, in this both cases, the reason why the bounce rate is so high may differ. And from one hand, the online store is based in USA, so there is actually difficulties, and maybe it's expensive to send the products to India or to Germany. Also, we have different languages, despite that more of the Indians speak actually English. And of course, the second reason may be the price, because the standards in Germany and in the India differs a lot. So Germany is one of the highest as a standard of living country in the world, and India is not so good in this from this perspective. Uh, so when we speak about missed opportunities and the location of the store, we can see that Canada have a really great bounce rate. It's close to this to the United States, 31 and 36%, and this is just because of the language and also because of the fact that the Canada is near to United States and the shipment is much more easier. Um, so, but now we have one more variable here, and it's the revenue. And the idea is not only to see the quality of the traffic from the country, but the quality of the traffic from perspective of the revenue. And we can easily calculate it by dividing the revenue of each user that the specific location sends to our website. Let's say if we take United States, it has $109,000 of revenue and 25,000 of visitors. And if we divide this number, let me just do it here. We can see that every user bring to the website from this location have a revenue of $4 and 36 cents. So we can do this thing for each of the countries, and I have already done it in this Excel sheet. You can see that the second one is Japan, which brings $3 per user, and then we have Switzerland, 2.70 cent per user, Hong Kong, $2.50 per user, and the rest of the countries bring much less revenue per user. So if we turn back for a moment in Google Analytics, we can see that Japan is the sixth country that bring users to our website. So here we can see that we have a little bit higher bounce rate, near 50%, when we compare to United States and Canada. which may be because of the language and which may be because of the shipping, as we discussed earlier. But despite this fact, we can see that the revenue per user is very high. So on that basis, we can consider some changes in the website connected with the Japanese language, and also improvement of the shipping conditions to this country. And basically, this is the way you can use the geolocation report in Google Analytics by comparing the business goals and the real business effect from your website to the business, and also the uh, the behavior of each traffic source of each traffic location to your website in order to make changes to affect the final revenue from every location.